If you run AI Engine for WordPress, chatbot plugins, or Keycloak identity brokering, patch and configuration checks should start now. The practical risk is administrator account creation through a WordPress AI plugin flaw, chatbot metadata exposure, unauthorized contact changes in an AI automation plugin, and token exchange bypasses that can weaken Google Workspace or Microsoft Tenant restrictions. Update affected plugins and review identity provider rules today. The lead CVE is CVE 2026-15988 in AI Engine, also branded as the chatbot, AI framework, and MCP for WordPress. NBD lists it as high severity with CVSS 8.8, affecting versions up to and including 3.6.5. The record describes missing or incorrect nonce validation in the reauth_for_authorize function. In defensive terms, an unauthenticated attacker who can trick a site administrator into taking an action may reach a CSRF-based authentication bypass path and create a new administrator account with attacker-supplied credentials. If your WordPress site uses AI Engine, treat this as urgent. Update beyond 3.6.5, review administrator accounts created recently, and confirm logs around REST authentication events. Two other AI-adjacent WordPress issues show why chatbot and automation plugins need the same controls as normal application code. CVE 2026-15048 affects the Geeky Bot WordPress plugin before 1.2.8. NBD lists CVSS 7.5, with unauthenticated access to chatbot history session metadata, including usernames, user IDs, and timestamps. CVE 2026-18437 affects MailerPress, a newsletter, email marketing, and AI automation plugin, up to and including 1.5.0. The issue is a missing capability check on a REST contact endpoint, allowing unauthenticated contact detail updates. Update both plugins where present, and check whether exposed data or altered contact records could affect privacy, support, or marketing workflows. For cloud identity teams, the Keycloak items are about token exchange and identity provider restrictions. CVE 2026-18214 says Google Workspace domain restrictions may be ignored during token exchange, so a valid Google account from another domain could gain access to a Keycloak realm. CVE 2026-18215 is the Microsoft parallel. Tenant restrictions can be ignored during token exchange, allowing a token from another organization to pass where it should not. Both are listed as CVSS 6.8, medium severity, but they matter more in environments that rely on workspace domains or Microsoft tenants as a hard admission rule. Today's checklist: update AI Engine, Geeky Bot, and MailerPress, disable and used AI plugin features, require MFA for WordPress administrators, inventory new admin accounts and recent plugin setting changes, keep public chatbot endpoints separate from administrative APIs, and for Keycloak, review whether token exchange is enabled, whether Google and Microsoft identity provider restrictions are enforced after exchange, and whether realm access logs show unexpected external domains or tenants. Sources are linked in the description. This is a defensive briefing only, with no exploit payloads, commands, or step-by-step attack chain.